My name is Matwera Julius, a member of the County Assembly of Nyamira, representing Nyamatuta Ward. And I was the mover of the motion that appeared before the Senate yesterday, but it did not see the light of the day because the governor and his team raised a PO, that is a preliminary objection over the same, and therefore the senators spent much of the time debating on the PO, and finally they did not give us an opportunity to prosecute our case about the issues that are bedeviling Nyamira. For quite a long time we have seen issues that have led to stagnation of development in Nyamira. Some of them being corruption, impunity, and many other issues that are negatively affecting our county. So we appeared before the Senate, but unfortunately the issues never came out clearly because the senators dwelt on the preliminary objection debate, and finally the people of Nyamira did not get justice. It's unfortunate, and we are still saying the people of Nyamira do not lose hope. God is with us. There is a light at the end of the tunnel, because we shall not relent. We shall continue pushing over this issue until your case is heard.
I'm George Morarabuga, the leader of majority in the County Assembly of Nyamira. We are here quite disappointed as members of the County Assembly of Nyamira, having brought one of the best motions of impeachment as testified by the Senate in their preliminary observations. That motion by the House, which was initiated by Julius Matwere, had over 15 grounds or particulars in the 2 grounds of impeachment. We were very much surprised with how our good Senate processed our motion in the House. Previously, a day before, the Assembly had been asked to produce enough copies for the entire Senate, including the legal counsel and the executive who were defending that. That was a big cause to the Assembly. We were therefore surprised when in the Senate proceedings, a very, what we think a very minute issue of a preliminary objection came up, and it overshadowed what the contents and the substance of what we had as Nyamira County Assembly to the Senate. Issues of threshold. The Assembly of Nyamira was asked to produce 3 MCAs whose seats were vacant. Our colleague, Honorable Elijah Osiemo, may he so rest in peace, who passed on in 2023, the Senate was asking us to produce him so that he can vote. Honorable Dennis Kebaso, who the court nullified his election, the Senate was asking us to produce him to vote. Honorable Thaddeus Nyambaro, who resigned and was promoted to the position of the Speaker, he was being asked by the Senate, we convert him back to an MCA so that he can vote. That is clearly an hurdle to the assembly which they cannot be able to do. Secondly, the leader majority of the Senate, Honorable Haron Cheriot, who has handled a motion like this before. In fact, a motion of the neighboring county, Kericho, his own county. When such a motion came, the Kericho County motion of impeachment, the preliminary objection in the Senate was relegated to be the last item to be processed by the Senate. Why was it so exceptional for Nyamira County? Why did the Senate, even after everything was clear by the preliminary discussion by the Senate, 3/4 of the senators were supporting and were seeing the grounds as substantial enough? What happened? That 1 hour break that my colleague leader majority in the Senate asked for. What happened after that 1 hour that the Senate decided to vote on the preliminary objection, and 3/4 of them who were supporting us crossed over and supported the preliminary objection? As the County Assembly of Nyamira, we still have options. We have not surrendered on this. We have not surrendered on this. The Senate's role is to oversight counties so that they can function effectively. The Senate's role is not to interpret the law, is to oversight counties so that those counties can operate effectively. To the extent that a motion has arrived at the Senate, it is prima facie evidence that that county has an issue. And the Senate should take it up and look at what are those issues, more than what are the laws in that issue. So we feel we have not been treated fairly, but we still have options, and we are going to pursue this matter to the end. Thank you. There are so many options. Go and look at our Constitution 2010. A Kenyan has several options, including seeking legal redress. We as leaders of the Assembly, we as leaders of Nyamira County, representing our people, we still have options of seeking fairness to our people.
Asante sana kwa nafasi. Kwa majina naitwa Mheshimiwa James Matinga, ambaye ni MCA kutoka Nyamira, tena ni naibu wa spika. Kwa kweli nataka kusema ya kwamba ule mswada ambao tulipeleka katika Senate letu la taifa letu la Kenya ni mojawapo wa mswada ambao